Review to version 482. That new design is back. Please remember that a new frame is created when you tap Save. Therefore, if you have a recording at the end of your video, you will have an additional frame that you have to delete. And of course, we check what happens when we copy frames. When you copy several frames and you change the audios, the first one will not create the extra frame, but the last one does if it is at the very end of the story. Could we just back to normal when recording?
Sir, this affects my story?
I know, all the visuals have to be done before the recording. And remember that you can't do anything with the app until you tap Save, Delete or Settings. As we have seen through the video, the props that had issues hadn't been, nor the problems with some of the characters. In general, we didn't find crashes while working with the app. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.